For me personally, a full face of makeup without false lashes is just incomplete. And also because I have such short lashes, so falsies are a must. But applying false lashes can be such a time consuming and a frustrating task, and I never seem to get it right. And for all those reasons, Flingnetic magnetic eyelashes have been my hero. They have saved my life and made makeup 1000 times easier for me. The kit comes with 3 pairs of lashes, an applicator and an eyeliner. Each eyelash now comes with 12 tiny magnets on it, which makes the application even better. The first step is to apply the magnetic eyeliner and then make sure it's dry. Once the eyeliner dries, it's finally time to apply the eyelashes. The tiny magnets on the eyelashes will adhere to the magnetic eyeliner just like that. In lashes ko apply karna is literally that easy. It's so simple. It applied within seconds. The kit comes with 3 lash styles, and each of these lash styles are so stunning. From lighter styles to more dramatic ones, you have a pair for each occasion. Each of these pairs can be used up to 50 times, and each kit has 3 pairs, which means if you purchase this kit, you are going to be using it up to 150 times. So to me, it sounds like an investment, and you should totally do it. Just listen to your girl right here. Invest in these lashes. Use them. You're going to love it and you're going to thank me. Trust me on that one.